So my name is Pat Ober. I'm the new CDA Technical Institute's lead instructor. Being part of the military, the brotherhood that you do experience is being promoted here at CDA. We have class honormen, we have classes to go through, and once you leave here, you stay a part of this community. You never leave that brotherhood. Everyone gets together, they PT together, they play together, you live together, and throughout the day you're diving together. It's just like being in the community side. You're here, you're with everybody, you build a bond with each other so you can trust each other with your life when you're on the other end of that happening. The one thing that I really try to hammer home to the students that I teach would be professionalism, dedication to the duty, and that this is an inherently dangerous job in a hostile environment. They need to treat it as such. It's just not a joke. It's not a walk in the park.